Welcome to the Vulnerability Assessment Lab. In this lab, we are going to see vulnerability analysis using Nessus tool. So if you do not have Nessus tool, I'll show you how to download and install. So in your browser, just type download Nessus. So if you see this site, Nessus, www.tenable.com, download Nessus, you have to click here. And if you scroll down, you can see the versions of Nessus. So if this is MSI for Windows Server, Windows 17 8-bit, so I've been using this and it's latest, it's 24 March. So if you are using the latest version, or if you're using the previous version of Nessus, the screenshots may obviously differ. So let us start, and so you can if you click here, it will begin downloading. So I agree, then you will get email, and so see, it's downloading right now. So I will cancel it because I do not need it, I have already installed. So you just follow the steps to install the Nessus, and that's it. You will get a confirmation email. Just click on that email, enter the activation code, and that's it. You have to begin installing Nessus. So now let us start with running Nessus on your PC.